Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to put your PlayStation 5 controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So the first thing you want to make sure is your controller is turned off. So if it's turned on, there's a blue light on the light bar. Just hold down the PlayStation button right here in the middle of the controller for about 13 seconds, and this will manually turn off your controller. Now, what we want to do is hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time, and this will put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So if you're trying to connect maybe to a Fire Stick, your iPhone, or any other device, maybe even your TV, this is how you would get it to appear under the Bluetooth settings on there. And you can see my controller, it's now flashing blue lights. This is an indication it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode, and it should be showing up on your devices you're trying to connect it to now. So just search under there and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.